Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide game activity on Steam. Alright, so first of all just open your Steam account. Now click on your click on your username right over here, and here click on profile. Okay, now here click on edit profile. Now click on privacy settings. You can see a bunch of options, but focus on this game details. As you can see, this category includes the list of all games on your Steam account, games you have wishlisted, your achievements, and your playtime. The settings also controls whether you are seen as in-game and the title of the game you are playing. So you can put it to private if your option is set as public. So just keep it at private and you will be good to go. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.